Welcome back to the channel, guys, and we're back in the van. Been watching a few YouTube videos, well, a few of your videos actually, and I noticed more and more of you were getting drones. I had a drone back for 5-6 years ago. I had the DJI Phantom 2. Nice little drone when it was actually working, but I just found to get it going, it was such a potch. You know, sometimes you have to calibrate this, spin it around, and then my gimbal started giving it all out one day, so I ended up giving that away, and so I decided to get another drone. So I didn't want to splash out big time, so I've been watching loads of reviews, and you know, I like watching the reviews. I'm going to buy something, but sometimes I find them a little bit, I don't know, a little bit untrustworthy of how accurate they actually are. But anyway, I was watching the DJI Mavic Mini and loads of reviews, and to be honest I couldn't find one bad one. So I've decided to buy a little Mavic Mini. I'm not going to do an unboxing or a review on it or anything. I'm sure you've seen all them, but I will show you some footage. But here's the little Mini, the whole box. I bought the combo, so the whole packet is not much bigger than my hand. But the drone itself, you know, look how small it is. It's actually smaller than a mobile phone. When I picked this out of the box and I picked it up, I thought, oh my god, that is so cheap, because it's so light. I think it's like 249 grams is advertised at. Yeah, it's so light. I thought, is that going to be any good? But anyway, I plugged him in, charged him up, had a few flights with it, and I tell you what, I am so impressed with this little thing. I really can't believe it. For how small it is, I'm not saying for how cheap it was, but it is for how cheap it is compared to the bigger brothers of this model, you know, which was £700 up to £1,000. But yeah, for how small it is and how cheap it was, I cannot believe the quality. It doesn't film in 4K, it's 2.7, which is higher than, you know, 1080p, which is full high definition, so still good quality. But that's all I wanted to do, was show you that. I bought the combo, so it comes with 3 batteries instead of just 1. Fly time on it is, well, it's advertised at 30 minutes. I've flown it for 25 minutes, no problem, and each time I've been flying it for 25 minutes over a certain object, I find that's more than enough time. And you know, I'm bringing the drone in just because I've got all the footage I wanted. But the other thing I like about this, I didn't know this when I bought it, but since watching reviews, once it's all plugged in, and say you had no intentions of using the drone one day and you was stuck for a charge up on the battery, well, this thing backs up as a power bank, so really handy if you want to charge the phone and stuff like that. That's it with the drone. Hopefully I'll be back out there soon. Like I say, I want to start doing vlogs and stuff of locations where I'm shooting. But here's a little video of the footage I've taken so far with the drone. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.